Hi there, everyone. Today, I'd like to take you through a little instructional tour about hurricanes, how they're formed, what they look like at the different levels, all the way from tropical depression up through that big, scary Category 5 hurricane that might come rolling through Houston this summer. Hopefully, we don't see anything like that, but stay tuned so that you can learn a little bit more about the things that might happen this year during hurricane season. Hurricanes that form in the Atlantic start off as tropical disturbances and develop into storms, and then fully into hurricanes ranging from categories 1 through 5. These disturbances start off as storms in the mid-Atlantic, and those storms are then powered by warm, moist air rising from the ocean up into the atmosphere, creating a low pressure center. If there are calm winds throughout the whole column of sky, then the storms will stay together and continue to build and get larger and larger and larger until they reach a size to where the Earth's rotation causes them to start spinning, and that is how we get our hurricanes. The hurricane categories range from 1 through 5, and the difference there is their wind speed. With a Category 1, we're looking at wind speeds from 74 to 95 miles an hour, and some minimal damage, maybe a little bit of street flooding, maybe some minor roof damage, but nothing too severe. Category 2 is 96 to 110 miles per hour. We're looking at some pretty moderate damage. We're looking at maybe power lines are starting to get affected, trees might be coming down, but nothing too terribly damaging. In Category 3 storm, we're looking at winds from 111 to 129 miles an hour. We're looking at some pretty severe damage. These storms are going to be rough, and you're going to want to start thinking about evacuating if a Category 3 is coming your way. Category 4, those wind speeds are continuing to increase from 130 to 156 miles an hour, and we're looking at a whole lot of damage, trees coming up out of the ground, roofs being blown off, very, very scary storms to have to live through. And then the last category is Category 5. That's any storm that reaches a wind speed of 157 miles per hour or faster, and that is major damage. So that is how hurricanes are formed and what exactly they look like. Thank you for joining me on today's episode of Hurricanes. Thank you.